Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
morning,
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. I sent the attendance link. Please check.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
काय किधर है? Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sorry. Recharge.
Yeah. How many attended chemistry class?
68, sir.
68. So for only 53 have come. Let everyone join quickly. Only to leave that earlier class and join this class, you takes 2 minutes time. That is why after every class, you are given 5 minutes time. How is the timetable? Have you checked the timetable?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After every period, you have 5 minutes gap. And after first 2 periods, you have, I think, how much time is left? After first 2 minutes, how much gap is given as interval?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. And again, after 2 more periods, lunchtime. See, very comfortably, you can attend all the classes. Please, all of you have to attend. Already we have lost a lot of time. This month we have to complete our syllabus. Oh, 61. . Now, how did you spend your holidays? May 5th to 31st. Did you go anywhere or did you just stay at home?
Just stay at home, sir.
Stayed at home. I hope all of you are taking all the precautions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
very important. That is very important. That has become a part of our life now. Sanitization, cleaning our hands regularly, and wearing mask. So from today, 1st June 2021 onwards, we are going to have online classes. I think only up to, we don't know, up to 9th. As of now, up to 9th June 2021, the lockdown has been extended. So we may have classes, online classes up to 9th. If any changes are there, they will be informed later. Now we have already completed synonyms, antonyms, and one-word substitutes. You remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, please. All of you have to read your notes. All of you have to watch the videos. I sent the links of all the videos to you. I hope all of you are watching those videos. Are you watching those videos on YouTube? Please watch the videos. I request all of you to watch the videos and read the notes. From now onwards, you have to be more serious because there is a lot of burden on you. You have to write first semester exams and second semester exams. So that is why you don't have much time left. At the same time, simultaneously, you have to read second semester syllabus and first semester syllabus. That is how you are burdened a lot because of COVID-19. Hence, I request all of you to be very cautious, all of you to work very hard. Now, let us quickly go through or review what we have learned in synonyms, antonyms, and one-word substitutes. Very quickly, let us go through that and then begin our today's topic, reported speech. See, we defined synonyms and antonyms. Can you read very quickly?
A word or a phrase that means exactly or nearly the same thing. Another word or phrase is a synonym. Learning
Word or a
synonyms.
phrase that means
Example, small
exactly or nearly the
words.
same thing.
Antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. Synonyms and
Word or
antonyms
a
are
phrase that
Word
means
or
exactly or nearly the
antonyms can
same
also
thing
be
has another word or phrase
dictionary of synonyms is useful for learning antonyms.
For
An
example,
antonym
small
is a
and
word
big.
an antonym is a word that light and dark are opposite.
Antonym is a word that means opposite of the word.
Antonyms can also be formed by using suffixes.
Okay, to put them simply, synonyms are similar words or words having the same similar meaning. Antonyms are the opposite
Opposite
words.
words.
Then one word substitute. One word substitutes are the words that replace a group of words. Number of words will be given. Instead of number of words, just one word is given. That is one word substitute. Example, I have given fear of high places is acrophobia. Also in vocabulary building, we learned, if we learn roots, we can know number of words. Phobia is fear. Okay, phobia means fear. You need not know acro high places, but phobia means fear. It has something to do with fear. You can understand. Acrophobia is fear of high places. You wrote synonyms for these words. And then we studied these prefixes, dis, il, im, in, ir, on, mis. These are the prefixes used to form antonyms, right? Loyal, opposite, disloyal. Antonym is disloyal. Legal, opposite, illegal. Possible opposite impossible.
Impossible.
Secure opposite insecure. So in the same way, these are the prepositions used to form antonyms. Misunderstand, misunderstand, certain, uncertain, regular, irregular. This is how you can have number of prefixes. You have formed antonyms for these words using prefixes. Do you remember? Can you quickly give the antonyms for these words? Quickly, come on. All these things we completed on May 4th.
Yes, sir.
Come on, whoever can answer can answer. Use a prefix to form antonyms for these words.
Attended, miss, neglect. Formal, informal, informal, credible,
Credible, incredible.
incredible,
Irrelevant.
relevant,
Accurate, inaccurate.
inaccurate,
Difficult. Satisfied, dissatisfied and unsatisfied. Order, disorder.
disorder,
Portable, legible, illegible.
probable,
Recreational, mature, immature. Conscious, unconscious, moral, immoral.
immoral, necessary,
Unnecessary, qualified, disqualified and
Continue, discontinue, responsible,
invisible,
discontinue,
impolite,
efficient, inefficient,
durable,
probable, improbable,
responsible,
marriage,
irresponsible.
necessary, unnecessary, visible, unvisible.
Yeah, now I told you to look up dictionary to find out the meanings of these one word substitute. What is meant by bibliophile?
bibliophile, person who collects a book.
మీరు చాలా టైం వేస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. నన్ను ఒకసారి లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. మీది ఒక రకంగా దురదృష్టకరమైనటువంటి బ్యాచ్. పాలిటెక్నికే కాదు, పాలిటెక్నిక్, ఇంటర్మీడియట్, డిగ్రీ, ఇంజనీరింగ్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఆల్ క్లాసెస్, మెడిసిన్ అయినా సరే అందరికి కూడా లాక్డౌన్ వల్ల మనకి మీరు అడ్మిషన్ తీసుకున్నప్పటి నుంచి కూడా లాక్డౌన్లోనే కదా, ఆల్మోస్ట్ లాక్డౌన్, కోవిడ్ కనుక చాలా కష్టం. మ్యాక్సిమం మనకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ జరిగినాయి ఇంతవరకు కూడా. మ్యాక్సిమం వీ హ్యాడ్ ఓన్లీ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్. మరి ఎక్స్ట్రా కేర్ఫుల్గా ఉండాలి, మీరు చదవాలి. బిబ్లియోఫైల్ అనగానే చెప్పాలి. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మనకు జరిగింది. May 4th రోజే చెప్పిన నేను, అండ్ వీడియోను కూడా నేను అప్లోడ్ చేసిన. ఐ హ్యావ్ అప్లోడెడ్ ది వీడియో ఆల్సో ఆన్ యూట్యూబ్ అండ్ ఐ సెండ్ ద లింక్. లింక్స్ చూసి ఓపెన్ కూడా చేయట్లేరు మీరు. నేను చూసిన ఎంతమంది ఓపెన్ చేసినారని తెలుస్తుంది కదా నాకు. ఐ హావ్ నాట్ ఈవెన్ ఓపెన్. Not more than 10 to 15 students opened those links. The number of times చూడాలమ్మా. All of you have to go through those video lessons. The same classes I am uploading every day and I am sending the links. అన్ని చూడాలి, అన్ని గుర్తుండాలి. ఇట్లా మర్చిపోతే ఎట్లా? Suppose tomorrow there is an exam. What will you write for bibliophile? What is the meaning of bibliophile?
A person who collects books.
A person who loves books, not collects. A person who loves books. A person who loves books, not collect. Philia is love. Number of times I told you. Philosophy, philia is love. Sophie is knowledge. Philosophy means love of knowledge. Everything you have to remember. If you watch it. కానీ మీరు ఇంట్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు, కిచెన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు, బాత్రూంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఎక్కడో ఉన్నప్పుడు, డ్రాయింగ్ రూమ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు, పడుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ వీడియోలో ఆన్ చేసి జస్ట్ అట్లా వింటూ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు కదా. స్పెషల్గా దాన్ని చూస్తూ వినకున్నా కానీ అవి ఆన్ చేసి మీరు అట్లా పడుకొని లేదా కుర్చీలో రిలాక్స్ అవుతూ వినొచ్చు. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ వినే అవకాశం ఉన్నది మీకు. వినాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? On Friday most probably Friday you will write your test. Okay. I will give the questions covering all the lessons, all the second semester lessons. అన్నిటిని కవర్ చేస్తూ నేను ఫ్రైడే టెస్ట్ ఇస్తా. టైం కూడా ఇస్తున్నాను. దిస్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ ట్యూస్డే టుడే. ప్లీజ్ లిసన్ టు మీ. యు ఆర్ టాకింగ్ అమంగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. లిసన్ టు మీ. ఎవరమ్మా మాట్లాడేది? స్పందన. స్పందన. Yes.
Denoting a person having
Please listen to me. All of you stop talking and listen to me. It is only Tuesday today. Wednesday and Thursday I have given time. On Friday, you are going to write your test. You are going to appear for your test. Kachitanga, all of you have to get 90% of marks from only the lessons which we have completed so far. I will give you questions. Okay. Now, at least today, you go through all the videos. Zoo, but you have to define zoo.
Place where animals kept.
place where all the animals
Place where
Yeah,
animals.
fathom.
to measure the depth of water.
Measure
Astronomy,
depth
astronomy.
of water. The branch of science which deals with
Connoisseur.
Physical universe.
See, listen to the pronunciation. This is a French word. It is pronounced connoisseur. Spelling and pronunciation are totally different. It is pronounced connoisseur. What is the meaning of connoisseur?
A person
who has great knowledge on a particular thing.
Right. Pediatrician.
A person who
A
studies
person
disease about
medical
children.
doctor, children doctor.
Veterinarian.
Animal doctor.
Who treats animals?
Zoophile.
The person who
A lover of animals.
a person who loves
Philia means love.
person who loves
A
animals.
lover of animals.
Person who loves animals.
Transitory.
Temporary.
Temporary, not permanent.
Not permanent.
The means positive thinking.
Optimist. Yeah. Opposite of optimist.
Pessimist.
Pessimist.
Right. Very good. Now match them quickly. All these things we have done. Actually, I should have begun directly reported speech, but I thought of revising. It is very important. Yeah, match. Atheist. Who is an atheist?
A person who
does
not believe in God.
Right. Right. Ornithology.
Study of birds.
Study of
Study
birds.
of birds.
Correct. Novice.
Someone new to his
Someone
to
new
his
to his
profession.
profession.
Okay. Misanthrope.
Some who hates humans.
And
Some
who
hates humans.
It's
Human. Right. Now, do you know someone who hates women? What is the word for that? Someone who hates women. Strilanu dveshinchevadu. Stri dveshi. There is a word for that also. I think I told you. Do you remember that word? You can write it down now. Now write down in your notebook. MISO GYNIST. Misogynist. 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 See here also, gyne is the root word. See, always whenever you come across a new word, you have to search for roots. అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికీ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
పదం యొక్క రూట్ ఏంటి అని ఆలోచించాలి. లాటిన్, జర్మన్, గ్రీక్, ఫ్రెంచ్ వాటిలో ఉంటాయి. గైని, GYNG, గైని అంటే ఉమెన్. మిస్, MIS, ఇంతకు ముందు స్లైడ్ లోనే చూసినాం. మిస్, MIS, మిస్ మీన్స్ ఆపోజిట్. గైనికి ఆపోజిట్. ఈస్ట్, వన్ హూ. Misogynist, one who is against women, and that means one who hates women. Misogynist. Okay. Now, indelible.
Thing which cannot be removed.
Removed.
Right. Very good.
Something which
Something
cannot
which
be
cannot be removed.
removed.
Right. Very good. Quickly, tell me. One word, give one word substitute for this. Things which cannot be read. One which cannot be seen. A person who can speak many languages. Something which can be easily broken. A great lover of books. Study of mankind. Something that can be carried easily. A person who is overly concerned about one's health. One who is present everywhere. See, one word substitute for all these things are very important. They will come in your exam. Incapable of being corrected. Now tell me, give me the one word substitute for the first one. Things which cannot be read. Things which cannot be read.
Illegible.
Illegible. You can write down. Better if you write it. Write all these sentences in your notebook instead of taking screenshot. You can take screenshot also, but you can take screenshot when you don't have much time. But I'm giving time now, sufficient time. Did we go through this slide?
No, sir.
Yeah, now you can write down. All these are very important. They will come in your exam. Things which cannot be read. Illegible. చదవలేము దాని అంత క్లియర్గా ఉండదు. అంటే చదవలేము అంటే ఎంత అర్థమైంది, క్లియర్గా ఉండదు. కొంగలు దొక్కినట్టు ఉంటుంది రైటింగ్. క్లియర్గా అసలు క్లియర్ ఏమాత్రం చదివేటట్టు ఉండదు. థింగ్స్ విచ్ చదవలేనట్టుగా ఉంటుంది అది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇలెజిబుల్. ILLEGIBLE. Illegible. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And one which cannot be seen. Anybody, any guesses?
Unseen. Unseen.
Okay, unseen is also
Invisible.
not wrong.
Invisible.
Yeah, invisible.
Invisible.
Unseen word is also there. Unseen అంటే ఏంటంటే మనం చూడలేదు వాటిని. అవి కనబడనటువంటివి అయితేనేమో ఇన్విజిబుల్. దట్ కెనాట్ బి సీన్, ఇన్విజిబుల్. డిసపియర్ అయి ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇన్విజిబుల్. అన్సీన్ అంటేనేమో అక్కడ ఉంటుంది కానీ మనం చూడలేదు అనమాట. అర్థమైందా? అన్సీన్ ప్యాసేజెస్ లోంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. ప్యాసేజెస్ అక్కడ ఉంటాయి కానీ మనం చూడలేదు. అన్సీన్ ప్యాసేజ్. బట్ ఇన్విజిబుల్ ఈజ్ nobody can see that. That is invisible. అర్థమైందా? మాయమైపోతే దాన్ని ఇన్విజిబుల్ అంటాం. అక్కడ ఉంటది కానీ మనం చూడకపోతే దాన్ని అన్సీన్ అంటాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ అన్సీన్ అండ్ ఇన్విజిబుల్. ఓకే. Now, a person who can speak many languages. Anybody?
Polyglot.
Right. Very good, correct. Polyglot. A person who can speak many languages, polyglot. Please note down everyone and read all this evening itself. A person who can speak many languages is polyglot. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you given attendance? I sent attendance ring. Has everybody got attendance ring?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Of something which can be easily broken. See, you might have
Damaged.
seen this.
Delicate.
Delicate, right? Very good. Delicate is also okay, but exact word
Damaged.
is damageable. Okay, damageable also. They are also not wrong, but there is a particular word for it, that is fragile. Something which can be easily broken is fragile. You might have seen ఇంట్లో మనకి కప్ సాసర్లు లేదా porcelain plates or television అట్లాంటి కొన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఆ డబ్బా మీద ఉంటుంది చూడండి, యూ ప్లీజ్ చెక్ ఆన్ ద బాక్స్, ఫ్రేజైల్, హ్యాండిల్ విత్ కేర్. This you can find this on those boxes, fragile. So there are something which can be broken easily, so be careful. That is the meaning of fragile. Easily. Glass, which breaks easily?
Glass.
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 Okay, glass or any delicate items like plastic items, television, they are fragile. Some people have fragile hearts, do you know? Fragile heart. ఈజీగా వారి మనసు విరిగిపోతుంది, చాలా ఈజీగా. చాలా సెన్సిటివ్ పీపుల్, దెర్ ఆర్ సమ్ సెన్సిటివ్ పీపుల్ whose hearts break very easily. You can say they have fragile hearts. Now, a great lover of books, I think we have already given this word.
Bibliophile.
Bibliophile.
Bibliophile. Bibliophile. Right. Correct. Correct. Very good. Bibliophile. Study of mankind. This also we have given already.
Anthropology.
Right.
Anthropology.
Anthropology. Correct.
Anthropology.
Anthropology. Study of mankind. Note down. Note down. Note down without wasting time. Something that can be carried easily.
Portable.
Right. Very good.
Portable.
Portable. Portable. Portable. Port means carry. Port means carry. Can you give some more words with this port? I wanted 2 more words using port, the word port. At least 2 words.
Portrait.
No, portrait has nothing to do with port. Portrait is a different word. అందులో పోర్ట్ అనే పదం లేదు, పోర్ట్రేట్ అనేది ఒక పదం. సో యూ కాంట్ స్ప్లిట్ పోర్ట్రేట్ ఇంటూ పోర్ట్ అండ్ ట్రేట్.
Airport.
రైట్, కరెక్ట్. ఎయిర్పోర్ట్. ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ గాలిలో తీసుకొచ్చినటువంటి ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్, గాలిలో ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్. రైట్. ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్.
Yes, sir.
ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ అంటే కూడా అదే కదా. ట్రాన్స్ అంటే ఒక ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఇంకో ప్లేస్ కి ట్రాన్స్, అక్రాస్. పోర్ట్ అంటే క్యారీ. Carry from one place to another place is transport. ఒక పదం తెలిస్తే మీకు చాలా పదాలు తెలుస్తాయి ఇట్లనే వొకాబులరీలో. పోర్ట్ అంటే క్యారీ, పోర్టబుల్ అంటే దట్ కెన్ బి క్యారీడ్ ఈజీలీ. ఓకే. ఎయిర్పోర్ట్. ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్. సో ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్, టేక్, క్యారీ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ప్లేస్ టు అనదర్. ఎనీ సమ్ మోర్ వర్డ్స్? ఐ వాంట్ 1 or 2 more words. Have you heard the word export?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Import also, sir.
Export. ఇక్కడ నుంచి బయటికి, ఎక్స్ అంటే క్యారీ చేయడం, ఎక్స్పోర్ట్. ఇంపోర్ట్ బయట నుంచి
లోపలికి తేవడం. నా పెన్నే.
Yeah. Export, import, airport, transport, portable. See how many words we are getting? Yeah.
Support.
Support, I think support is a different word. Support is one individual word in which you don't have any port. Now, a person who is overly concerned about oneself, ఎప్పుడు తన ఆరోగ్యం గురించే, నాకు జ్వరం వచ్చింది, కరోనా వచ్చింది, కొంతమంది ఉంటారు కదా. For very small
Weak
things.
person.
Yeah.
Weak person.
Okay, there is a word for that. A person who is overly concerned about one's health. Chala.
Hypochondriasis.
Please check this word, valetudinarian. Check this word, valetudinarian. What is the meaning of that word? Are you checking? I am also checking. See, a person of a weak or sickly constitution, one whose chief concern is his health, his or her health. Okay? A person who is overly concerned about one's health is a valetudinarian. Valetudinarian. ఎప్పుడు తన ఆరోగ్యం గురించి ఆలోచిస్తుంటాడు. There is another similar word, hypochondriac. Please write down this word and check in dictionary. I told you to attend English class with a dictionary, at least with a dictionary on mobile phone or with a hard copy. Hypochondriac, HYPOCHONDRIAC. Hypochondriac. HYPO, hypo, CHON, on DRIAC. Hypochondriac. Are you checking?
Yes, sir.
Hypochondriac. Check the meaning and tell me.
Sir, what is the meaning of valetudinarian, sir?
Where is that? Where did you find that word, valetudinarian?
A person who is overly concerned, you said, no, sir.
That is the meaning. A person who is overly concerned about one's health. ఇంతసేపు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిందే అది కదా, మళ్ళీ అర్థం అడుగుతున్నావు. A person who is overly concerned about one's health, ఎంతసేపు తన ఆరోగ్యం గురించి ఆలోచిస్తుంటాడు, వాడిని వాలిట్యూడినేరియన్ అంటాం. అమ్మాయి అయినా అబ్బాయి అయినా మగవాడైనా ఆడవాళ్ళైనా ఎవరైనా సరే వాలిట్యూడినేరియన్. వాలిట్యూడినేరియన్ అంటే ఎప్పుడు తన ఆరోగ్యం గురించే బెంగపడే వ్యక్తి. A person who is overly concerned about one's health. తన ఆరోగ్యం గురించి ఉండవలసిన దానికంటే ఎక్కువ కన్సర్న్, చిన్న దానికి కూడా ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. Yeah, what is the meaning of hypochondria?
Worried about having serious illness.
So that person is also always worried about serious illness. నాకు అది ఉంది. పుట్టిన తుమ్ము వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఇప్పుడు ప్రస్తుత సీజన్ లో తుమ్ము వస్తే మనం ఏం భయపడతాం? జలుబు వచ్చింది, కరోనా వచ్చిందో ఏమని భయపడతామా లేదా? మనం భయపడుతున్నాం ప్రస్తుతం. ప్రతి దానికి కూడా మనం కరోనా ఏమో అని భయపడుతున్నాం. కొంచెం జలుబు రాగానే ఇమీడియట్ గా అమృతాంజనమో లేకపోతే ఇంట్లో ఏదైనా వంట చేస్తుంటే ఆ వంట వాసన చూస్తాం, వస్తుందా వాసన వస్తుందా, ఆర్ వి ఏబుల్ టు స్మెల్? అవునా? టేస్ట్.
Yes, sir.
So we have also become hypochondriacs and valetudinarians these days because of COVID-19. Now, one who is present everywhere.
Omnipresent.
Omnipresent.
Omnipresent. Correct. Omnipresent. Now, one who knows everything. Tell me. Write this word. One who knows everything. One who is present every. First, you write one who is present everywhere. Omnipresent. One who is present everywhere is omnipresent. One who knows everything.
Omniscient, sir.
Omniscient.
Right, very good. Omniscient. O-M-N-I. Omniscient. Omniscient. S-C-I-E-N-T. You can write down. One who knows everything is omniscient. O-M-N-I-S-C-I-E-N-T. Omniscient. సో ఆమ్ని అంటే అర్థం ఏం చెప్పండి. ఈ రెండు వర్డ్స్ based on these two words, omnipresent and omniscient, you tell me the meaning of omni.
A person.
Omni.
In all ways.
Illiterate.
Everywhere, all places.
Everywhere.
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 Everywhere. Right, correct.
In all places.
Correct. Now, incapable of being corrected.
Incorrigible.
Incapable of being. What is the spelling?
IN
COURA.
CORRIGIBLE.
Yeah. Incorrigible. Pujita, I have given incorrigible. INCORRIGIBLE. Incapable of being corrected. అంటే అర్థమైంది, వాడిని కరెక్ట్ చేయలేము, ఆమెను కరెక్ట్ చేయలేము. మనం తప్పు చేస్తూనే ఉంటుంది లైఫ్ లాంగ్, ఎంత చెప్పినా కానీ వినదు. ఆల్వేస్ షీ మేక్స్ మిస్టేక్. దట్ పర్సన్ వీ కెన్ సే షీ ఈస్ ఇన్కారిజిబుల్. ఓకే, ఆమెను బాగు చేయలేమండి మనం. ఆమెకి ఎన్ని చెప్పినా వేస్టే, ఆమెను మనం బాగు చేయలేం. వద్దు అంటే వినదు, మళ్ళా చేస్తుంటది. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తాం మనం? షీ ఈస్ ఇన్కారిజిబుల్, వీ కెనాట్ కరెక్ట్ హర్. ఓకే,
Sir,
now come on. Yeah.
is depraved correct?
Yeah.
Depraved.
Depraved అంటే ఏంటి?
Incapable of being corrected.
Yeah.
Incapable of being corrected, sir. Same meaning.
Same meaning. Is there? What is the spelling?
DEPRAVED.
Have you checked in dictionary?
Yes, sir.
Let me also check for a minute. Depraved means marked by corruption or evil. No. Depraved means marked by evil only.
Okay, sir.
It is not incorrigible. Evil. Depraved
Okay,
means
sir.
evil.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You have you heard the deprived inko word undi telusa? Similar word, deprived. DEPRIVED. Please check the meaning of that word. Please check the meaning of that word, deprived.
Suffering a severe and damaging lack of basic material.
Yeah, you don't have. She is deprived of nutritious food. వాళ్ళకి nutritious food లేదు. In some tribal areas, kids, little children are deprived of nutritious foods. Tribal areas లో కుటుంబాలలో పిల్లలను చూడండి, కొన్ని చోట్ల మీరు వాళ్ళకి పొట్ట ఇంత లావ్ అయిపోయి మొహం అంతా పీక్కుపోయి, ఎందుకంటే న్యూట్రిషియస్ ఫుడ్ ఉండదు వాళ్ళకి. సో దే ఆర్ డిప్రైవ్డ్ ఆఫ్ న్యూట్రిషియస్ ఫుడ్. వాళ్ళకి they lack. Deprived means lack. Okay, now come on quickly. Within 2 minutes we are going to get disconnected. Within 2 minutes we are going to get disconnected. Meanwhile you can read all this, then after that you can take a break. Then you will have third class. Anyway, because almost 40 minutes is going to end, before we get connected, almost 5 minutes will be elapsed. So that is why only for 5 minutes, why should we meet? Are you following?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So after
sir.
1 minute, we are going to get disconnected. Then you take a break for 15-20 minutes and then join the next class, third period. What is the third period today?
Physics.
Okay.
Physics,
Now
sir.
quickly read all these 10 things. All these 10 quickly. Read aloud.
Things which cannot be
Things
read.
which cannot be read.
Cannot be read is illegible.
Which cannot
One which can't be seen,
person who
invincible.
can speak many languages, polyglot. Something which can be easily broken.
Family can
Guide.
which can be
Great
which
lover
can
of books.
be easily broken.
Great lover of books.
Great lover of books.
Bibliophile.
A great
Of
study of mankind. Anthropology.
Anthropology.
Something that can be easily portable.
Anthropology.
Overly
A
concerned
person who is
about
overly concerned about one's
humanitarian.
validity.
One who is present everywhere.
One who is present everywhere,
Omnipresent.
omnipresent,
Incapable of being corrected. Incorrigible.
Right now, illegible. Opposite of illegible, tell me.